Cryptography is the science of writing codes and ciphers and has been used since ancient times, allowing people to transmit information in a secure manner. The incredibly long and fascinating history of cryptography development is what has led up to the advanced and sophisticated methods used today in the modern digital encryption behind cryptocurrencies and blockchains. The most basic form of cryptography, symbol replacement, appears in both ancient Egyptian and Mesopotamian writings. The earliest known example was found in the tomb of an Egyptian noble named Khnumhotep II, who lived approximately 3,900 years ago. However, the purpose of symbol replacement in Khnumhotep inscription was not to conceal information, but to enhance its linguistic appeal. The earliest known example of cryptography being used to protect sensitive information occurred around 3,500 years ago, when a Mesopotamian scribe used cryptography to conceal a formula for pottery glaze, which was used on clay tablets. By later periods of antiquity, cryptography was widely used to protect important military information. In the Greek city-state of Sparta, messages were encrypted by writing them on parchment laid over a cylinder of a particular size, making the message undecipherable until it was wrapped around a similar sized cylinder by the recipient. A more advanced cryptography method was invented by the Romans, known as the Caesar cipher, where letters of the encrypted message were shifted by a certain number of places down the Latin alphabet. For example, with a right shift of 3, A would be replaced by D, E would become H, and so on. It is unknown how effective the Caesar cipher was at the time, but it is still used today in children's toys, and a shift of 13 letters is used in the ROT13 algorithm that is widely found on the internet news groups to obscure joke punchlines and story spoilers. A major breakthrough in the field of cryptography was described by Thomas Jefferson in 1795. His invention, the cipher wheel, also known as the Jefferson disk, consisted of a set of wheels or rings, each with 26 alphabets arranged around their edge. The order of the disks acted as the cipher key, and the recipient had to arrange the disks in the agreed upon order to decode the message. Like the cipher wheel, a device called Enigma, used by the Axis powers in World War II, also used rotating disks to encode a message, making it virtually impossible to read without another Enigma device. Early computer technology was eventually used to help break the Enigma cipher, and the decryption of Enigma messages is considered to be a critical factor in the eventual Allied victory. As technologies and computer systems improved, cryptography became vastly more advanced than it was in the analog era. 128-bit mathematical encryption is now the standard for many sensitive devices and computer systems. Cryptography has also been used to make cryptocurrencies possible. Several advanced cryptographic techniques, including hash functions, public key cryptography, and digital signatures, are used to ensure the security of data stored on blockchains and to authenticate transactions. Cryptography has come a long way in the last 4,000 years, and although the cryptographic systems used in cryptocurrency blockchains today represent some of the most advanced forms of this science, with the fast digitalization of many industries and the constantly growing amount of data, cryptography and the technologies behind it will continue to advance. To learn more about cryptocurrencies and the technologies behind them, don't forget to watch our other videos at Binance Academy.